Meaning of Daimler. Daimler. Daimler.
Daimler. Daimler. Daimler is a German automotive company that specializes in designing, manufacturing and selling luxury cars, buses and trucks under various brand names, including Mercedes-Benz, Smart and Freightliner. The company was founded in 1926 and is named after its founder, Gottlieb Daimler, who was a pioneer in the development of internal combustion engines. Today, Daimler is one of the world's largest producers of premium cars and commercial vehicles, and it operates in more than 200 countries, employing over 300,000 people worldwide. Its mission is to provide innovative and sustainable mobility solutions that meet the needs of its customers and society at large.